Hello crafty friends, this is Marissa. I'm on real quick today to share a few projects that I created using DIY Artbin store. They reached out and asked if I'd like to try some of their dies for a little shout out. And I'm not going to say no to free dies, especially when the ones they sent me are super cute. Absolutely adorable, you guys. They are on AliExpress, I believe. Or they are, but I don't know that they're on any other site. But check this out, you guys. They sent me all these little gingers. Oh my god, they are so cute. Let me make sure I'm in frame. They sent me the matching boy and girl. Oh, love. They sent me the mug, which, oh my gosh, I'm all about mugs, right? But this guy here, oh my gosh. Well, I think it's a little girl because she has a bow, but you can leave the bow out. Super cute. He's like a little chunky monkey. Oh, I love it. And it comes with quite a few pieces, but they're super easy to put together. I definitely blasted through these super fast. The mug, super easy. The only thing is that you do have to add an extra piece back here because the hole opens and does not have anything to back it. So that's the only thing I noticed. But other than that, it is adorable. These two are super cute. I love them. I didn't do the eyelash with black. I just thought I didn't need it. It stood out well enough, but I did color the bows and buttons with my Copic markers. Basically dyed them all, or die cut them all in white, and then went back with the brown cardstock. And I really love the way these turned out. They're so cute. So these were super, super easy to make. Then they sent me 3 other ones that were not easy to make. And I am not gonna lie, they were work. But holy moly, did they turn out super freaking cute. They are pretty cute. I'm not like just blown away. I'm not the greatest with detail because, like I said, I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to paper piecing. So this was a lot of pieces. What I did was I ran it through just once. Probably go back and do twice. And that it'll be thicker because I just kind of did it with one, and I used a white cardstock. I cut out all the pieces and then I laid them out and colored them. Super easy to piece together. At least this one was for me. I didn't struggle with it. I just colored and glued down and it turned out really well, as you guys can see. This one was a little bit more work, but the angel's so pretty. I messed up her eyes. I don't know if you guys can see that. I decided to go in there with the black marker and it just did not look well, so I'm not happy about that. But overall, like, it's really pretty. They look like they used, on the image that I was sent, it looks like they used some kind of like fabric or something, but you could easily add some glitter, the stickles is what I was trying to say, to this to make it kind of stand out. The little horn, I did use a jelly pin, the jelly roll pin, and colored it and added gold there, and their little headband, so that was pretty. This one's really pretty. I like the wings because these are definitely going to be seen with some Halloween projects that I think they will work. And then the mug, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not a gnome person at all by any means. Like, I buy no gnome decorations, none of that. Like, it's just not my jam. But this little guy is stinking adorable and so cute. And the image had like, like, it looked like it was a watercolor, like what they had done. And so I went in with my Copic markers and colored it. The little gingerbread guy, oh my gosh, look at how tiny he is, but he's so cute, like super adorable. This one I really liked. It comes with the little tree like branch, and you have the berries. I took the berries and accidentally didn't pay attention and lost a couple pieces, and so I moved them over here, but they should all be on there per the picture. And then you're supposed to cut out 2 of the cinnamon sticks and then 2 of the berries, but I only did 1 of each. And then it comes with a little cookie back here, which I added a white marker or jelly marker to, or pen I should say, to add the design there. And then the other stuff is all colored. This is Christmas paper from, I don't even know what collection. It was just in my stash of scraps. And then I did do the heart in a Copic marker with some shading there. They are all super adorable, but definitely these took a lot more work. But if you like paper piecing, yeah, these are really great. And these are super cute. Thanks so much, Eric. He's the guy that reached out. Super cute. I'm going to link all these up in the description box, and then I'm going to come back here in a bit and I'm going to show you what I did with these, because I already had ideas for them as soon as I put them together. So come back in 2 seconds. So I'm now on to share the projects that I completed with the dies that I had shown previously. Like I mentioned, I got the DIY Artbin store sent me a bunch of dies and I'm just playing with them. So let's just jump right in. The first one that I did was a pink gingerbread girl. I love her. She is so cute. I used authentic paper. I don't know the collection line. I'll look it up and put it in the description box. I'm not sure if it's available any longer. I picked it up at Tuesday Morning a couple years back, maybe 2-3, prior, I think, to the pandemic. But I did use the buttons from Erica, which I actually have right here. It is this little set. I want to say it's like $6 or something like that. But they are so good. Like, oh my gosh, I fit perfect. This is the small size and then this is the larger size. Oh, I love how it turned out. So cute. I'm probably going to add this to a tag. I just haven't decided what I'm doing, but I did start it, so I just wanted to give you an idea. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. I love this little gingerbread man. I used a pink and green combo because I had this paper, just scraps of it left from some other projects I did. So I ended up making a little tag, or not tag, but a little tuck spot pocket. And I did use the, this is called Oh What Fun from Close to My Heart. And I want to say it's maybe 3-4 years old. I'm going to have to put something back here because this is, I didn't see that. Might do a washi tape. But I did do one of their cut apart sheets and I did a little paper punch. This is just the Fiskars punch. And then I do have this Creative Memories that I somehow picked up on like a D-stash for the little ornament in there. And then these are just the little Gemmy dots from the Dollar Tree. And then I just added a little pocket. I did glue just kind of the edges there. And then, so you could either just journal or put like a gift card. But this ribbon too, I found it at, oh my gosh, I can't remember the shop, but I have tons of ribbon from ways to make bows. And so I had this Christmas tree pattern. I thought it worked out perfect. So it's so cute. And then I just added all the little extra stuff on there. Just so cute. I just love it. So next one, oh my gosh, this girl is so cute. She's a little chunky muck. So I added a ornament, and this one is a Rosie Studio mini die. I added the link. They have it on sale, but they do ship from, I believe it's Australia. I can't remember. I'll have to double check. But I happened to order some sale items from them, and they said that it would take like about 5 to 30 days, and it took literally like 4 days or maybe 5 total to arrive. So I thought that was pretty cool. But I did turn this into, I added some extra little goodies there, but I did turn this into a little album. So I'm going to finish it up. As you guys can see, I have some ideas going already. And I created this literally using a soapbox. I am a cheap or not cheap, but lazy crafter, and so I take shortcuts. And my husband uses soap bars and instead of like body washes, and so I keep them and I turn them into cute little albums, and it's just an easy shortcut. I think Paper Terrace is her name. She's here on YouTube. She used to be my one cool mom, I'm a cool mom, I think. She makes junk journals out of them, but she covers them with fabric, which I've done, but I've always just in my head used paper just so I can use it up. But super cute. Love it. Just, oh, I still haven't decided what I'm going to do, but that's the gist of it. Now these two, I decided to make them the little gift card holders from Erica. Oh my gosh, I love it. Here's the little buttons, you guys. And then I have these little tags that I created using, I think it's Lily of the Valley. I saw Jill Norwood talk about them, and I went to their Etsy shop, which I'll link them, and I ended up printing it on manila envelope or file, folder. I cut it up, and then I just printed some awesome shimmery iridescent paper, and then I just cut them up and used them on the little gingers. I added a spoon here, and then the little ginger is a stamp from Lawn Fawn, and it's this guy here. You guys can see that. And then the die card. Oh my gosh, I am like in love with this thing. It is like probably my favorite die right now. So this is the die itself, and it comes from Erica. I just received it, and I thought it'd be perfect to create cute little cards. I just kept them simple, but it's just such a fun little gingerbread man and girl, and I just, oh my gosh, I love the way they turned out. So if you guys want some of this stuff, it'll all be linked in my description box. My gosh. Okay, and then this girl, I'm probably gonna make her a card. I just haven't decided yet, but I like the way she looks layered up there. And then I'm thinking I'm going to add this on there. I might create a few more. I might do different colors, but so far that's my idea, and maybe make it a little Christmas card. She's so cute. I love the way she turned out. I think I'm gonna make more of her, even though she's a lot of work. This one, the coffee, little Nomi coffee guy, I ended up making him just a tag and kept it simple. These stickers come from Die Cuts with a View, and they match the paper collection from last year. And I just happened to grab the Good Tidings. I had a little sticker there, and they're kind of metallic, so they are really cute. And I just haven't added I don't know what kind of thread I'm gonna use, but I was thinking of maybe doing like something gold or red, but yeah, that's what I did with that one. And then here's the angel. I ended up making the card. Could not find my stamp. I mean, this part goes with it, but I couldn't find the angel because it reminds me of her, and I couldn't find it. So I ended up just pulling neutrals and having her just kind of stand out there. But these are my projects, and I hope you guys like, and come back for more projects that I have in the works for Halloween. And I'm really excited, you guys, because I've got a lot of goodies and sweet ideas that I'm ready to share. So thanks for watching, and I will link everything in the description box. And if you guys have any questions, definitely ask or email me. I think my email's on linked up through the about box. So thanks.